Okay, so continuation. I'm still talking about Malokai, coconut, water, other benefits, daily hydration, cream of a gram of sugar, vitamin E, and for healthy. But you can see that it looks the water of the coconut. Salsa. 10 calories. I don't know, but I love saipan. I like to be
You wanna go back and buy the one for the door?
Yeah, I'm gonna again buy me a different 50 cents expired texture. I always feed my dad expired. So just to save money. I buy him potato chip. You know how much the potato chip I buy my dad? It's only like $1.
Si Jerome ka na tututubiyo expired niya. Ako sabi natin, ay ka na mamatay sumali pa.
Pago na lang ganududo record sa ahungon na expired na. It's a daman na. Like, oops, it's too late. I already feed you and I already eat, so we can be the same. Like. I have a lot cereal. Oh my goodness, so many kind of cereal you wanna eat. So like maybe $2. Oh, the Dollar Tree Pago people are buying the Christmas ornaments like $1. But we don't have a Dollar Tree here. But anyway, this is the nutrition facts is only 10 calories.
Only I like the pancetta.